What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. This will be our second video at the new shop, and I just kind of want to show you guys around everything we got going on. A lot of paint protection film installation, a lot of color PPF, custom wraps, commercial wraps, etc. Just kind of walk into the back. I'm going to start from the back going forward and just kind of showing you guys some of our work and everything we've got going on. Go ahead and flip the camera right now. Again, Purple Flare Wraps are located at 7585 Commercial Way, right in the Valley Automall. Now a Suite G. Give me 1 second here. We're now at Suite G. We got this Porsche getting a frontal PPF and window tint, ceramic window tint. In this video, I want to announce again, we're no longer XPEL dealers. This will be actually our last XPEL installation that we are completing. This customer spoke with us since before we switched from XPEL. And actually, I still took it in and I saved the film because I wanted to do a comparison video. You're good. I wanted to do a comparison video between the PPF we're using now for Ceramic Pro and 3M versus XPEL on the finish. XPEL is a great product. I'm not wanting to talk any type of bad stuff about them. However, like I said in the previous video, we're kind of focusing now on providing a good, better, best model. And the 3M paint protection film and Ceramic Pro PPF just happen to have a much better finish, as well as also a, just a lot more clarity, same warranty, better price point. We're not tied up to offer their products, so we can use their product, but at the same time, we can use other products. Like in this case, again, Ceramic Pro has a better ceramic coating, so we can use Ceramic Pro for ceramic coating, we can use 3M for paint protection films, window tint, etc. Sorry, I'm speaking and guiding this guy at the same time. So I'm gonna come back to this vehicle here. We got this Dodge Ram 1500 getting KPMF film on the fender flares, on the front bumper, on the back bumper, and on the sides. It's kind of a two-tone, so again, KPMF film. The one thing that I like to highlight on this one is a lot of people will attack this, not remove without removing that front bumper. They will just kind of wrap it and just tuck, whatever happens, happens. We do take the time to remove the grill and remove kind of the fender flares and stuff so we can really wrap around it and provide a high quality job. This is the color the customer selected. Looks really good, looks amazing. Obviously it's a vinyl, so it does have a little bit of orange peel and some limitations, but it does look good, and it's a vinyl that matches the factory door handles and factory mirrors. Cool little thing we just got here. Floor sweeper, floor cleaner, not a sweeper, floor mop, if you will. Scrubber, there you go. So we're really taking very serious keeping our shop clean, and with this amount of square footage, we do need something, to help us out. Got a couple of commercial vehicles over there for TRS, trademark restoration services. Partial wraps on those just completed. We got this G-Wagon, actually one of our vehicles here, with a full custom printed color change wrap. That was printed on 3M vinyl with a Hexis matte laminate. It's been on for about 1.5 years, and it looks phenomenal. It looks like the first day. Now, kind of like the projects we got going on, this Audi is getting a full color change, also using KPMF here. It is a color shifting one from white to pink. You can see kind of the little shift right there, not a big shift, but it looks really good, subtle. This one is color PPF, and this color paint protection film comes with a 10-year warranty. Again, we are using patterns, we are using templates, so what we do is we cut out the pattern, but we extend it, and we actually do remove tail lights and stuff like that so we can wrap around. Door handles were removed, they were now put back. As you can see, there is no seam here, so door handles were fully removed, mirrors were removed. We treat it like a color change, and it is a PPF. This car is getting a full interior upholstery, satin black paint protection film. So this is kind of in the process and kind of sitting out now. Paint protection film. It's a terrible parking job. This one is getting a full frontal paint protection film as well. You can see all the patterns and stuff cut out here on our peel board. So frontal PPF and ceramic coating on this one. You see how this PPF looks. This one has a full body paint protection film. It's already mostly completed. Needs to get assembled back, so the fender flares, tail lights, door handles, mirrors, all that stuff has to get put back on. As you can see, again, it looks like nothing's there. The edges is all the way to here. The edge is all the way here. So once you put that window mold in, there you go, so you guys don't think I'm lying. There's the edge right there. Once you put that window mold in, once you put that door handle back, you cannot see there is any film on this car. And that's what we take pride on. There you go, you can see that edge right there. So once you put that handle, you cannot see there. You can tell the film's on the car. So it's a quality installation. Is what we can, take pride in. Full body wrap on this one. All completed. Just got to get assembled, cleaned up, and delivered tomorrow. I believe the mirrors need paint protection film, and that will be it. Let's kind of go around here. We got a Lamborghini Revuelto in for a full frontal paint protection film. I believe this is fully completed. Is this done, Tony? This done?
Yeah.
So this is done, fully done. Lamborghini Revuelto full frontal paint protection film installation. That's gonna be going home today. It's dropped off yesterday. As you can see, again, it looks like nothing is on the car. This is one of the reasons why we switch our PPF. You can see the finish on this. It's just perfectly clear, super glossy, no orange peel. Clarity is amazing, 10-year warranty. That's what we're using now. Full frontal PPF on this one. So I'm not only talking about the film, we're talking about good or better about another film, which is kind of what we're choosing to use right now for our clients and showing you guys our work. I believe all the companies that we're using have their own name, have their own reputation, that far, talks about them greatly, and it's bigger than ours. So I just want to show you guys what we're using and show you guys the quality of the installation. Look at this. You wouldn't believe there's film on there. Let's actually zoom in much closer. Let's see if we can pick up something. There you go. If you go into that corner very close, you can see a little piece of lint right there at the corner of the PPF where the film tucks around. So anyways, full quality, great quality installation. Let's take a look at the BMW. So the front end is getting done on this one. There we go. Let's get this to zoom in. So I step back because sometimes installers don't want to stop what they're doing when I'm around. But as you can see, you saw in that fender versus bumper how much glossier the fender is. The PPF is not taken away from the car, it's given to the car. It's improving what the car looks like, making the car look better, making the car look much better, and protecting it with a 10-year product. So that's what we're shooting for, that's what we're going for here. Now we have this one with a color paint protection film as well. We're waiting on some more material to arrive to complete it. Scarpet Monkey's van is fully completed. It's a full vinyl wrap. Design, printed, and installed in-house. Fully completed, ready for pickup. This is printed on Brightline film, which is a company made by Arlen. As of this video, as of tomorrow, next week, Labor Day, we are switching all of our films to 3M. So we're gonna be using all 3M wrap, or 3M vinyl wrap in all of our commercial wraps. So obviously the warranty is the same. This provides a 3-year warranty. Very happy with this product, never had any issues, but just kind of as we switch our paint protection film and our window tint, we're kind of moving all of our purchasing power into some brands so we can get better deals and provide better warranties for our clients and more customer service from the reps, so we can provide you guys as our clients better customer service. Now here we have this Porsche 911 with a full body paint protection film already completed. This is done. Look at the gloss level on this. This car is about 2018, 2017. It's a little bit older. Don't quote me on the year, but again, look at the workmanship. All edges are wrapped. It looks like no film is on there. It looks like just maybe a paint correction and ceramic coating, or if it's a new car. But this car is fully PPF. Every single piece of the car is protected with our paint protection film. The edges of the mirror are down here. Door handles are done. Every single piece of this car, spoiler, etc., everything's done. That is a quality installation. In this case, we did not remove the turbo badging because it will break very easily, and it wasn't available at the dealership, so this is a cutout around right there, but this can show you the installation right there in the gloss level. Look how this paint protection film is improving the car. Look how the red looks. Look how the red looks right there, and how it looks right here, how it's definitely glossier where the PPF is installed. And again, that's what the film a good paint protection film should provide is not only protection, but enhance the finish of the car, make the car look better than when it came in. That's what we're going for. So we're protecting your cars, but we're not taking away from them. It's kind of like a lot of times we use other films, you protect, and it's kind of like, yeah, it's protected. It doesn't look as good, or it doesn't look better. It looks worse, but it's protected, so I'll take it. Kind of like you're driving around with a helmet on. In this case, the helmet or the protection enhances the look and makes the car look better. Again, look at this 911. Look at the gloss on the car. That is an older vehicle with, I don't know how many miles, I don't want to lie, but definitely I would say over 30 to 50,000 miles. And look how it looks. We did not do any type of crazy paint correction in this car. We washed it, we clay barred it, we did a light, very light polish in some areas where the scratches were too heavy. 90% of the car didn't get any type of paint correction, and look how it looks. That is what a film should look like. This one is a wrap that was completed at another shop. We're doing a full removal and replacement. So all the purple's coming out. You can see over there how they use a bunch of primer at that shop. Taking this out and replacing it with a different color. This one has a full color change. Just got to get a sample. Today's Thursday, so this will be leaving tomorrow. A lot of cars here down the line that are getting ready to leave. This one we just did a vinyl removal, going with a new color. This one's really cool. Full body custom wrap, design printed and installed in house. This customer had another truck done from us in a American theme, and then he decided he wanted this. So obviously we designed it, we sent him a proof, he liked it, he said how much, put that in deposit, dropped off the car, and here it is. Looking phenomenal. So if you want a custom wrap, we can definitely help you with that. We provide all the ranges of services in-house, design, print, and install in-house. Full body paint protection film, satin black paint protection film on this Lexus. Almost done as well. Might go home tomorrow, might not, because it is a full crumb delete. And last but not least, we have this Lamborghini Huracan in Teckwrap True Blood, more like a candy apple red. Check out the gloss levels on this. So this is the vinyl. This car is a rental. You can rent this car at Dream Exotics. You can see how it looks phenomenal. This is one of the vinyls that looks really good. Kind of looks like paint protection film. It is not a paint protection film. It's more like a 2 to 3 year product. However, like I said, this car is a rental. There is paint protection film underneath the vinyl, and it is what it is. I'll be happy with that. Last but not least, on the shop, we have this LM Services truck getting a full commercial wrap. Anyways, guys, if you want any type of paint protection film, ceramic coating, window tinting, as I say always, thank you so much for your business, for those who have supported us, and anybody that's looking to have these services done, give us a call. We're located at 7585 Commercial Way in Henderson, Suite G, Henderson, Nevada 89011. We would love to assist you. We would love to have your business, and we guarantee you a great install, a great service, the best service, and a great quality install. This is something, again, printed, designed in-house. The hood is not wrapped right there, as you can see. And the customer requested a partial wrap, so he wanted the red to blend into the paint of the car, which I think we did pretty good on that. So it's basically getting sides, bumper, and tailgate, no hood, because he doesn't want it to sunburn. Thank you guys for watching. Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps.